This is an AKG C414 microphone. It's a condenser microphone, and it's very broadly used for live music and orchestral purposes. In my opinion, it's one of the best microphones out there. It sounds absolutely fantastic, and we would generally use it for things like overheads on drum kits, or maybe even things like harps or flute sections in orchestras. The positives are that the sound reproduction is excellent, one of the best out there. It's also got switchable response patterns, which means you can change the way it receives sound, basically how narrow a sound field it accepts versus how wide. The downside of these things is they're very expensive. They come in match pairs, so you generally need to use the pair that you bought in each application. And they're also very fragile as well. So they're not the kind of thing you want, for example, students using when they're still learning about the basics of audio. This is very much a professional grade, high-end microphone for orchestral and live applications.